Composition of Asian breads, yes. ASEAN breads. Ito po tayo, ASEAN breads. Different types. And it's coming from this side. ASEAN breads na. So marami. 1, 2, 3 ASEAN breads. And these are the pastries. We have biyaya, we have this, and the breads all over. Tapos composition, that's it.